Guided meditation for relaxation and tension release. I'd like you to pause, take a deep breath, and place your feet flat on the floor or ground. Really feel your feet in contact with the surface underneath you. Now place your hands on your stomach and take 2 to 3 deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth, noticing your stomach rising and falling with each in and out breath. Take these breaths into the part of your lungs that are the stomach area instead of your upper chest. When you feel comfortable, close your eyes. Now, as you keep breathing deeply into your stomach, I'd like you to breathe in for a count of 5. Then hold your breath for a count of 5. And breathe out slowly for a count of 5. And keep breathing, in for 5, hold for 5, out for 5. After that you should pause for about 1 minute. Now I would like you to slowly bring your attention back to the room or area you're at, noticing the sounds around you, and begin to open your eyes. As you open your eyes, notice how you are feeling. You should feel peace about yourself. This will help your whole day, and even promote more restful sleep. You can repeat this anytime during your day that you see fit from your vantage point. When you do this meditation, let go of expectations and just relax your body and thinking. This guided meditation helps revitalize and relax anyone who performs a mindful meditation. Deep breathing helps to oxygenate your blood, while the simple focus on the breath calms and brings you into the present moment, while creating a peaceful feeling through your whole body. The benefits of meditation make it a very beneficial activity that can be practiced by anyone and is an integral part of mindfulness training. It can also be a great starting point if you've not done meditating before, and with regular practice, it helps you acknowledge your inner thoughts, improves your thinking, reduces stress and anxiety levels, and promotes relaxation and reduces stress levels. Find a place of calm clarity with this guided meditation session. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to keep you updated. Isabella's Homes, your recovery gateway.